Hello everybody, welcome to sellyoursari.com. In this video, you will learn how to upload a sari which is a simple product. So this is the landing page after you log into our website. After this, you have to go up and click Store Manager Dashboard. When you reach the Store Manager Dashboard, you click on Products, then Add New, then you will reach this page. So first of all, when you upload a simple product, you have to click simple product. Then next you have to add the product title. For this example, the sari that I am going to upload is a pure tissue silk sari with pure tissue silk blouse. Here in the title, you will have to add the SKU code. The SKU code for my sari is BYC 460065022. Next, after you add the product title, you have to add the sale price and the price. First, this is the price. The price of the sari that I am going to sell is 200 dirhams. Now, this option is for whether you're giving a discount or not. If you're not giving a discount, you have to add the same price as what you have added here. For example, if you're not having a discount, you will also put 200 dirhams. This means that this sari has no discount. But for this example, I am going to give a discount and I am going to sell my sari for 134 dirhams. Next, you have to add short description. The short description is the same as the title of the sari but without the SKU code. It's a pure tissue silk sari with a pure tissue silk blouse. This is the same as what you've given in the title but without the SKU code. Next is to add the description. In the description, you will either have, it is the place where you add video. If you have a video of your sari, you will add your video. But if you have no video, you will simply write no video. But for this example, I am going to add a video. How to add a video is you have to click add media, click upload files, select files and upload the video. Here in the title, you have to give the same title as what you've given in the So the title of this video will be the same as what I've given is the title of the sari. It's pure. I have copied it already. I'm just going to paste. It is a pure tissue silk sari with a pure tissue silk blouse. The caption also, you will leave the caption empty, but in the description, you will add the same title once again. So you will paste it once again. It will be a pure tissue silk sari with a pure tissue silk blouse. After this, you will click insert and post. Then you will get a link to the video. You will press enter once and then write yes hyphen see video. Next is for the picture. For a simple product, you will have to add the one picture 2 times. So the first, you will go to upload files, go to select files and take the picture. Then once the picture is loaded, you will have the title as the same title, which is pure silk tissue sari, whatever the title is. Next, you will leave the caption empty and add the same thing in description. Pure tissue silk sari with pure tissue. All of this is without the SKU code. Next, you will click select and it will go away. Next, since this is a simple product, you will have to add the same picture 2 times. You will go again down here and you will go to upload files, select files and select the same sari, same picture, and you will repeat the same process. The title will again be the same as the title you've given before. You leave the caption empty And the description, you will add the same title again, pure tissue silk saree with pure tissue silk blouse. And then click add to gallery. Now this picture has been added twice. Next. Next is the categories. For this categories, you have to select, first thing you have to do is to select all four and make them ticked. Then you have to select the sari category and choose which sari it is. For this particular sari, it is a new sari, so I will tick new sari. Make sure that only one is selected. Next, fabric and material. You have to choose whichever fabric and material your sari is, but for my particular sari, it is a tissue fabric. And you only have to choose one in this fabric and material. Then you will close fabric and material, then open weave. Then you will have to choose which weave your sari belongs to. My weave belongs to the uncategorized section. So I will choose uncategorized and only uncategorized, only one, and then close it. Then open the next occasion and choose which occasion it's used for. My sari is a designer sari. So I will choose designer sari and then close it. Next is Facebook product sets. Facebook product sets, you have to choose sari. Next is product brands. If your brand is here, you will choose your brand. But if your brand is not given in this list, you have to choose uncategorized. But since my brand is given here, I will choose my brand, and my brand is BYC Gujarat. Next, you have to add tags. Tags can be anything. You choose what tags you want to give to your sari. I am going to give tags such as beautiful sari, branded sari, classic sari, daily wear sari, and whatever. Continue. You can make how many ever tags you want. Next, catalog visibility. You have to choose shop and search results. Next, you have to go to inventory, and in the SKU code, you have to mention the same SKU code that have been mentioned here. So just copy and paste. In the SKU code that you mentioned here, it has to be without brackets. Next, you have to click manage stock and you have to enter the stock quantity. In my sari, we have 5 stock in quantity. Then allow back orders should be set to do not allow, and sold individually should not be selected. So they should not be a tick here. Next is attributes. The first thing to do in attributes is to select all of them. So you click on the square box and it will be selected. Then you choose your respective attribute. So for blouse, my sari is with blouse piece. Make sure that you only choose one of the 3 options. Then you close this and then you click on this square. Then you have to add the color of your sari. Since this is a simple product, it will only have one color, and the color of my sari is pink rose. Next, damage claim. Damage claim. Now you have to choose either one of these 4 options. Since my sari is a new sari, it has no damage. But just in case your sari has some damage and it is pre-owned, you have to come, before you move on to the rest, you have to come down here. You have to add a new attribute. You have to name it damage description, and then you have to add the description of your damage. Say there is a cut or a red mark. Say there is a red mark on the back of the sari. You have to mention exactly what the damage is on your sari in this box. Then close this, drag this above and drop it below damage claim. Since my sari does not have any damage, I will just untick this. Next is dry cleaned. Dry cleaned, you have to click tick and you have to choose one of the three options. Since my sari is a new sari, I will click new sari. Then close, and then go to fabric and material. The fabric and material you enter here has to be the same as the fabric and material that you have entered here in categories. I have entered the tissue fabric, so I will write tissue. Make sure that for all of them, only one is selected. Next, sari category. Since my sari, you have to choose only one of these three options, and since my sari is a new sari, I will write new sari. Next, sari with video, it's either a yes or a no, and you can only choose one. Since my sari has a video, I will choose yes. Next, seller category. You have to choose either one of these four options and only one. And since my shop is a retail shop, I will choose retail shop. Then seller location, you have to open it and choose any one of these options. And since my location is India, I will choose India. Next, weave. This weave that you enter here has to be the weave that you have entered here. And since above I have entered uncategorized, here also I will mention uncategorized. Next, work style is you have to choose any of these options, and since my work style is woven all over, I will choose woven all over. You can all of these options, you can only choose one option for all of them, all the attributes. Next, you have to tick on zari color and choose any of the colors that you have as your zari color. And since my sari is a copper for zari color, I will select copper. After that, your attributes is done. Make sure that if you have damage claim, you have to make a box which says damage description. But if your sari has no damage, then you don't need to make this damage description. Next, you can leave linked as empty, SEO as empty, and after all of this is done, you can click submit for review. So this is the process on how to upload a sari here at sellyoursari.com.